Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a shape border thickness using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select this comment option and here you will find this shape option. First I will do a rectangle shape and see this. And this right sidebar top corner this properties option select and here you can see this border color and make this default color this one, and fill color also will change this one, and this border thickness option. Here you can increase or decrease border thickness, and also you can change border line style. You can make it dotted and this zigzag. Also you can remove this one and make this one, and this is thickness. In this way you can increase decrease your border thickness. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.